There, what's up? Abyssopelagic or Abyssopelagic? There's two robots who pronounce it differently, so I don't know. It's from abyss plus pelagic, deep ocean or open ocean. Pelagic, open ocean. Abyssopelagic, of or pertaining to the depths of the ocean, of the open waters of the abyssal zone. This is something you probably need a visual for. Just throw up some visuals on the screen. There you go. Boom. The abyss. Ooh, that deep. It's freaking deep. Fathoms and fathoms deep, bro. A lot of 6 feet. Much a deepos. The abyss. Abyssopelagic, bro. Wow. Almost at the freaking trenches, bro. The heteropelagic zone. That's extra hardcore. And bathy, like Barathrum above that, which is like, Barathrum is a bottomless pit. That's pretty deep in it itself. So the Abyssopelagic's even deeper than the, like, deep Barathrum, bro. Fuck. That shit deep. Abyssopelagic, man. It's pretty hardcore. To the depths of the ocean. The pressure would just smush ya. Implodes. Ooh, Abyssopelagic.